How's the taste?
Hey guys, it's me, Kuya Milton, and today we are going to be making spicy Korean cucumber. If you've ever eaten at a Korean barbecue or at samgyeopsal, this is probably one of the most popular side dishes that you can get at those Korean restaurants. It's really easy to make, doesn't require a lot of ingredients. Really addicting and one of my favorite things to eat. Let's get started. First step is to cut cucumber. Now you can get those really large ones, but I like these really small ones. They have a lot more flavor and they don't have that much water in them. You can taste the flavor of the ingredients that we're gonna add. I like cutting these into 1-inch chunks, but you can cut them as large or as small as you want. Next, we're gonna cut 1 green onion. One clove of garlic. And this is optional, I just like to add a little red onion. Look at that green color. Now we're gonna add our wet ingredients. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. We don't need to add salt because the soy sauce has salt. 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Next is the most important ingredient, Korean red pepper flake. It has to be the Korean one. It cannot be the red pepper flake that you get at like the pizza place. You're really gonna have to look for a good Korean one. It will say red pepper, coarse. So 1 spoon of Korean chili flake. This is not as spicy as it seems, but it adds a lot of flavor. You can always add more if it's not spicy enough. Then a pinch of sugar. And then a ½ teaspoon of toasted sesame seeds. This is gonna give a little contrast and flavor. All right, that was so easy. Now the only thing left to do is just to mix. Let's just put this on a fancy plate and then we're ready to eat. And there you have it! Korean spicy cucumber. Looks really good, smells really good, but it doesn't really matter how's it look. What matters is how's the taste? Here we go. Let's try this. Really good. Wow. You can taste that garlic even though we just added 1. That flavor is in there because we cut it so thin. Got that Korean chili flake, nice, spicy. Those flakes are really good because it doesn't add too much heat. It just adds really good flavor. If you want a salad, but you don't like just regular salad with olive oil and vinegar, this is a great alternative. Super flavorful and super delicious. Got that onion, green onion, and garlic flavor. And also you can taste those sesame seeds. Wow. A lot of different textures in your mouth. It's really good. Even though you're eating a raw onion, it's not too bad because all of those flavors that we add really help to mild the flavor. I mean, if you cut it super thin, it's not super powerful. It just tastes really good and flavorful. It's super crunchy right now because we ate it right away. You can leave it in your refrigerator so that the water gets out. But right now, it's really good to eat right away. Delicious. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below for whatever recipe you would like to see me do next. If you love Korean barbecue, this is a perfect side dish that you must try. You gotta try this. Anyway guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Thanks, bye.
How's the taste?
You're old.
I see this pig just sitting there, and I'm like, oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no.
Dito sa Pilipinas, kapag nakita ng may bisita, hindi nagustuhan yung inihanda namin. Siguro may
Surprise!
I think kaya
have a good choice.
Bruh.